what's up, what's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. For today's recipe, I'll be showing you how to make this flavorful chicken and vegetable soup recipe.
So I'm starting off by adding some Cajun seasoning to our chicken breast, some red pepper flakes, some curry powder. I wish we had real turmeric, and some chicken seasoning. I previously diced and tenderized the chicken breast, and then after this we're gonna add our herbs. Here I have some thyme, some diced habanero, chopped green onions, and some garlic. And this is a very simple soup, guys, that you could make, you know, for the common cold or flu. You know, just something very light. Gonna mix everything together again.
It's smelling good.
Thank you.
You know, all the natural seasoning, guys. You know, you can actually smell the aroma from the habanero, you know, the garlic and all that good stuff.
Alright, so I already turned the stove on, put it on like a medium high heat, and I'm gonna add some avocado oil. That's what we have today. Get our oil to the right temperature, and then we're gonna add in our chicken and our, you know, our spices into the pot and saute up, you know, get a nice roasted flavor.
Yeah, man, and then we're gonna add in some okra, carrot, you know, and some other ingredients. You know, it came previously frozen. You know, we got it from a supermarket. So I'll show y'all like a package of it, what's inside of it, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about.
So we're gonna add in all this fresh and tasty combination. And saute this up somewhat.
So how long you gonna cook the chicken for? Like what, 2 minutes, 3 minutes? Or you're not gonna fully cook it?
No, you don't have to fully cook it. Just, you know, saute it up for at least 2 minutes.
Yeah, man. So we're gonna saute the chicken for about 2 minutes, guys, just to soak up some of that flavor, you know, some of that seasoning. Yeah, man. And then we're gonna add some chicken stock to it, about 3 cups of chicken stock. We're gonna add about 2 cups of water. You know, bring it to a boil. Then we're gonna add our soup mix and some Jamaican vegetable soup mix as well. All right, stay tuned. Add in the chicken stock, you know. Add a little bit of chicken saltiness flavor to it as well. And then we're gonna add some water, just to add some more liquid.
Now I'm adding another 1.5 cups of water.
Mix it up. Yes, guys, so as you can see, it's a vegetable soup mix, right? So it includes tomato, potato, carrot, green beans, corn, lima beans, okra, onions, and some celery. All right? Yeah, man, so that's about 15 ounces, close to a pound. Yeah, man, so just continue to watch the video, guys. Don't go nowhere.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and add our vegetable soup mix to our soup.
Yes, guys, and then we're gonna add in our vegetable soup mix, or Jamaican soup mix. It's a Maggi. Show them the package. Yeah, so it's a Maggi veggie soup mix. All right, so you gotta drop that right in. Add some nice flavor to it as well, some nice Caribbean flavor. Yeah, man, Jamaican style. Yes, guys, so we're gonna cook our soup for about 15 minutes until it looks nice and rich. Everything is fully cooked. You know, the veggies are already frozen, so you know that's not gonna take more than 2 minutes. You know, but you want to make sure the chicken is fully cooked, you know, falling apart, you know, melting in your mouth and all that good stuff. So continue to watch the video, guys. Don't go nowhere.
Alright, guys, so this is what our soup is looking like. You could smell that wonderful aroma. And you could see all your fresh vegetables and your herbs. and the chicken breast.
Yes, guys, so after cooking our soup for about 15 minutes, you know, this is what it's looking like. All right, so we're gonna pour some of my soup in a bowl, you know, and enjoy it. Yeah, and as you can hear it in my voice, guys, you know, I'm a little bit, you know, under the weather right now, you know, came down with a little bit of cold. So, yeah, but besides that, you still gotta put in the work, you know, still gotta make videos for you guys. So, you know, stay tuned, don't go nowhere.
Alright, so this is what our soup is looking like. You know, this would be the perfect thing that you need, especially if you have a cold. You know, you have your chicken, all your herbs, your spices. You know, this is the pepper seed right there. You know, the habanero, your thyme, your garlic. Yes, everything combined together, perfect.
Alright, guys, so I'm about to see what we're working with right here. Wow, this is nice. Yes, guys, the flavor is definitely on point in this one. You know, the spice is right, everything is nice, you know. Yeah, man. This is exactly what I needed for this cold, you know. Yeah, man. So thank you for watching again, guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.